One firework, two firework. Are you enjoying 3 videos now, Mom? Are you enjoying them? Well, half of them go in the air.
So that's what. So this gives a negative. Gives a negative. It helps the cell to.
Nothing you don't know. You say you don't know. I say.
I shouldn't be singing that. Whoa! Look at all them sparkles.
Okay. I think I'm gonna lose my eyes.
I guess you could say it's too sparkly enough for you.
Yeah. Not too sparkly.
I guess it's
Was
not
that too sparkly, Natalie?
What?
Was that?
With it.
That goes in the air. How are you not?
As a firing gun. Well,
Those ones were okay. Look at that! Oh, it's so.
oh yeah!
This is so
Hold this just in case this is loud, okay, Mom?
No.
Please. Never mind, it's the same one.
So we can't see it. All the kids
That's short!
As the shortest firework in the world.
Oh, that's why.
Never mind. You did? Yes, I did. My eyes are black like that.
If it don't go boom, what are we scared of?
Oh my gosh. Hello, Natalie. How are you? Natalie.
Feet hurt, chick.
Hello.
It's okay. Go ahead. Just got to turn it around.
That way?
They will need to turn it around, otherwise you're not going to be able to see, Lovey.
Oh yeah.
Wait, are you gonna still put your feet up here though?
Natalie, you're in the. Why?
They're outside, but like if you're in my house, I'm gonna kill you anyway.
And there was a spider
Whether
in
you're
the clothes.
poisonous or not.
Me too. In the towel, I flipped it out on my bed and it ran off. I'm like, oh, this is not
Oh,
this is
I
wrong.
killed it in the towel and it's still dead in the towel.
Yeah, that's me. To find a really like when it's
Oh yeah. Kool-Aid Man.
Or whatever those are called. That hurt my eyes. Smells like firework. What's that one called? What was that one called? What's that one called? My eyes. Are you looking at it?
Oh.
I'm looking!
That's like a dragon. Hello, Mother. Hi, Mom. That's like a dragon. Look at these two. Mom, I think we need to see something good from this. I think we need to hear something good from this camera. So, do you want to say anything? Mom,
What?
do you want to say anything?
No.
You sure?
What does it do? Just
Yeah.
it used to
like this.
Hey! Oh my gosh! You guys are probably really annoyed by this.
Covering your feet, Mom.
It's on the stove, Levin.
Just give me something to believe in.
Oh my goodness. All I saw was the image of it. And then he stopped. It's like,
Wow, that looks good. That was awesome. Wow.
That's what I'm saying.
This is so
Oh my gosh. Wow. Just watch it.
I can't because it's so bright. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, now I gotta do my outro. So that was it, the fireworks showcase. It's really dark around here, I'm just gonna say that. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the future.